Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So open first the settings application, then scroll down to privacy section, switch permissions to privacy and you'll see here hide apps section. Just tap on it and to hide one from your applications, for example let's hide the Hero map, tap to the switcher. Now we should set the privacy password first, so click to the settings. We could use 6-digit password or to use the different password type. I'll use the pattern. Now we should just here select the one from the available security questions or to use the custom one. Just after that tap to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should set the access code. Just by entering this access code on the dial pad we could access the hidden apps. So just tap to the settings. The access code must start with the hash key. Enter the code and end it with a hash key. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Here we got the tutorial. Just tap to done. Now we could hide all of the applications which you wanna hide. We could find them here in the hidden tab if you want, and just let's find them. Open the phone app, tap to the dial pad, hash key 1234 hash key, and we could see all of our hidden applications. To unhide them we should go by the same way to privacy, to the hide apps, enter our privacy password and just to click on each of the switcher to unselect them to unhide the applications. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.